Hi, I'm Allie.
And I'm Becky.
We are registered dietitians that are passionate about food as medicine.
In this video, we are going to be talking about why you should consider a Mediterranean keto approach and going over 5 of our favorite Mediterranean keto foods to incorporate into your diet.
Yes, now we've done many videos on why we love the ketogenic diet. We see great results such as improved metabolic health, reduced insulin resistance, improved blood sugar levels, reduced inflammation, enhanced mood, reduced anxiety, improved energy, and so much more. And if you want to learn about why we love keto, check out this video here, Dietitians Talk Low Carb, where we also make an amazing recipe, our keto cheddar biscuits. In fact, we love and use the ketogenic diet so much in our clinic that we have an entire playlist all about keto. So be sure to subscribe to the Naturally Nourished YouTube channel and check that out.
So Allie, let's kick things off with what exactly is this Mediterranean approach to keto? What does it mean?
Yes, so as fans of the ketogenic diet, we are not fat phobic by any way, shape, and form. We see a high to moderate fat, high to moderate protein, and low carbohydrate diet yielding really clinical favorable outcomes. But all too often when we look at a ketogenic diet, it's going to be way too high in fat and maybe too low in protein. We also know that most ketogenic diets' composition of fat will be higher in saturated fat and very low in omega-3 fatty acids, as well as monounsaturated fats like oleic acid, which are heart healthy. So we look at, with a Mediterranean approach, ensuring that about 50% of our fat comes from saturated sources, and we use quality animal sourcing. So we're looking at pasture raised or wild caught when we're looking at those saturated fats. And then we want the other 50% to come from monounsaturated fats from whole food sources, and then also getting some of those polyunsaturated fats in the form of omega-3 fatty acids from our wild caught fish. We also focus on, in a Mediterranean keto approach, an abundance of antioxidants, which means eating the rainbow of color. All too often in the ketogenic diet, because of carb fear or really keeping those total carbohydrate grams low, we miss out on the antioxidants and phytocompounds that we can get from leafy greens, herb seasonings and spices, and even moderate consumption of starchy vegetables and fruit. And if you are carb phobic, you can check out this video where we talk all about metabolic flexibility.
And with all of that talk about incorporating more plants into the diet, I just want to clarify this does not entail those PUFAs or polyunsaturated fats in the form of seed oils. So we don't want to go for the canola, the corn, the soy, and unfortunately these end up in a lot of the keto products off the shelf. That would also include safflower, sunflower, cottonseed oil, and these oils that can be highly oxidized and then even more problematic in the body when they are heated. Instead, we want to focus on those whole food forms, like Allie said, like avocados, nuts and seeds, olives, and olive oil.
All right, so let's get to 5 food as medicine boosts that you will eat an abundance of if you take our approach to more of a Mediterranean keto, kicking off with wild-caught fish. So we know that omega-3 fatty acids have a great role in enhancing outcomes with cardiovascular disease or preventing heart disease altogether. Omega-3s are anti-inflammatory, and the EPA and DHA in your omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to boost HDL, which is that broom of our vessels. We also know that wild-caught fish can provide antioxidants. So for instance, the pink pigment of salmon, which is richer in a wild-caught versus farm-raised form, is going to provide us astaxanthin. This is a compound that has shown to promote eye health as well as cellular protection and reducing heart disease.
So next up is extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil has been shown to be cardioprotective coming from its antioxidant contents. We're getting things like vitamin E in high amounts that is protective of our heart, as well as other polyphenols. And there are even compounds in olive oil that are antimicrobial and can support your gut health.
Yes, and on to berries. So berries are a fantastic low glycemic fruit, a great friend to the ketogenic diet. They can provide us anthocyanins. These are the purple pigment antioxidant that we see in our blackberries and our blueberries and even in our raspberries. And the antioxidants in berries can protect our vessel health in the body. They can support blood pressure lowering as well, and they can aid in reducing cognitive decline or Alzheimer's disease. We look at these as big markers of vessel health, but also providing us these antioxidants that can reduce oxidative stress throughout the body, and that in turn can support cellular function.
Next up, tomatoes. We see tomatoes as being protective of endothelial function or vessel health, as well as having the ability to lower unfavorable lipids in the body and reduce blood pressure. And when we cook tomatoes, we actually further enhance some of the antioxidant properties like lycopene, which has been shown to reduce the risk of stroke by 26%. Now, if we're looking to take a little bit of a shortcut and maybe do an off-the-shelf marinara sauce, this is one of our favorites that has really clean ingredients. It's actually going to combine those tomatoes with some olive oil and just some herb seasonings and spices. We really want to watch out for those industrialized oils in our tomato sauces, as well as things like added sugar.
Yes, and even organic tomato sauces and marinaras will often have, they might even say with olive oil, but on the back, watch out for that soybean oil, canola oil, or other inflammatory fats, especially when we're looking to reduce inflammation in the body. So the final food that we're focusing on is flaxseed. Now, I like to typically grind these up when I'm looking for bioavailability or absorption of the omega-3s. The omega-3s in flaxseed are going to be in an ALA form, so a little bit less potent than we will get in those omega-3s that are found in the EPA, DHA of your wild-caught fish. But flax seeds have other benefits that they can offer the body. They give us a great source of fiber, and their fiber is very binding, high in soluble fiber. This helps to aid in regulating estrogen levels in the body and detoxifying excessive circulating hormone, as well as lowering LDL, the more concerning cardiovascular marker of our lipids. So we will see good cholesterol regulation with this, as well as bowel motility. And we know the more frequent that we move our bowels, the more supported our detox process in the body is, which is really important for whole body health.
And you can just toss those flax seeds right into a smoothie recipe like this one that we'll show y'all how to make in this video.
So a Mediterranean keto diet is nothing radical. These are foods that you can incorporate in your day regularly. And we know that the more compounds that we get from these phytocompounds, such as spinach, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, incorporating things like garlic and onions would be really fabulous to boost detox process and give us an abundance of these antioxidants. And then incorporating our wild fish, our olive oil, our flax seeds, and nuts and seeds in general is another great way to support whole body health. If you're looking how this can all be put together, you can check out this video here of what I eat in a day. And again, our food as medicine keto approach is essentially one of a Mediterranean keto.
And if you're looking for a deeper dive on how to apply the ketogenic diet in your lifestyle, you can check out our 12-week keto program. This archived program is going to have 6 classes taught by Allie and moderated by myself that you can watch and rewatch at your own pace. You'll have lifetime access to the program. It comes with over 20 customizable handouts, such as our keto protocol, so that you can select the track and figure out the macros that are going to work best in your body. Tons of recipes included as well, and 2 jam-packed ebooks to really deepen your knowledge.
That program is offered at $149 with, again, a lifetime of access. But for you YouTube viewers, you can use the code YTKETO and you can save $50 off this program, making it just $99. And we know that this will help you whether you're keto curious or a keto veteran that's been doing it forever, shaking things up and enhancing your keto with food as medicine, learning about how to boost anti-inflammatory support and balance hormones can really take your health to the next level.
Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the Naturally Nourished YouTube channel, and drop us a comment below with your questions about how to apply this Mediterranean keto to your lifestyle. One more line, Stilly. Can I do it? You think I can do it?
She's got to say, go, Becky, go.